not gonna get. He's not gonna get mush. Okay. You know. I'm not gonna make it come. I don't wanna burn all my. Come on. There, I gave him a little more room to, don't like. Yeah. I got my savings from my piggy bank. I think I might have to clean this out. I got something. You know. Glorious. Let's go sell them. Who do you think will want them? Maybe the blacksmith. Hey, blacksmith. Oh yeah, he's taking a camp. There we go. I don't need anything. He can take it. He needs it for like. White button. What button is that? Get rich. I'm gonna rob that up. I'm glad to help you out. Glad I'm selling you good stuff. You better make your thing better armor. Okay? Let them hold you. Oh. I guess my irritated. Your skin is burning. I'm not getting harmed. Is it acid raining? What is it burning? Today, I am thinking. Oh. I think it's like acid. by myself, bro. I need to talk to the guy. I think down here. Hey, everybody. Are you the mutant? Knock knock. Are you the mutant we're looking for? Begins the Night of the Undead. That sounds freaking cool. You know, I will do that. I wasn't planning on doing that. I mean, no. Maybe. I'm worried about the zombies. Oh my. You need to talk to the. Should be around here. Oh, mute. There's our mute. Oh, look! I got it! Man, that only cost 15 gold. Not selling it. It's supposed to be in part of there. Ah! Got one thing. Planning on like. Planning on making. We're gonna need some wires. We have to go talk to our friends again. Our junction. We need a couple of these. She always says get more than you need. Okay, left. First, let's work on the underworld. I think that will be. I'm gonna throw everything. I don't get how these junctions. Oh, this is the idea. hell if I... Freaking stop running and sprinting. I'm trying to move very slightly and boost off like it almost... I can make it do that! I need to turn off my... I need to make sure no one can break in. Making it super easy. Trying to make something right. Fun going, keep on going, nothing here. And then literally this should be it right here. All to the underworld. If I can tell you. If I can tell you. So I think this is a straight fall. If it isn't, well, it isn't. I'm pretty positive it. So many ores. Get out of here, wires. You're trying to mess up my contraption. Yeah, contraption, that's how you say it. I'm being full retard. How can you do a full retard? You are really good at being a full retard. I want to be you. No. There's your palladium and the rock horizon. Somebody once told me the world was gonna me. I ain't the carpet doing that. Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest doing shit. Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. Let's get some stone, like ebon stone. I want to make a little hut. I gotta make it so people don't move in though. That would be horrible if someone were to move into the underworld. I bet it, in some stupid universe it is possible. I don't want to risk it. There you go, that should be good enough. Put it like right here. Then, oh. Then do this. That should be connected to each other. So, to test it out, or to click on this. The teleporter doesn't work. Probably because it's the freaking door. Jerkhole. Trying to do something here. There you go, now work. Did I mess up? Surely not. Looking. Everything seems normal to me. Guess the game's just really picky on, like, if someone's teleporter should work or not. It's like, I hate this guy. I'm gonna make it so his teleporter doesn't work. Oh, did you know that if a sky pond is, like, doing its thing, and if you make a 1x1 hole, or not a 1x1 hole, but if you just make a one wide hole out from it, then it will be unlimited. And you just gotta wait a while, and then it would flood your world. Doesn't that sound exciting? If you dump the companion, if you accidentally let the companion cube hit lava, maybe the junction thing doesn't work. It's 100% correct. Oh, I forgot to hook it up. Okay. I forgot to hook it up to the main teleporter right here. I'm an idiot. Okay. We got that finished. Now, skybase. The skybase should be pretty easy. It's just straight up, right? It's like pretty much, yeah. I need one of them junction things again. Freaking stop! Okay. Just imagine when you're trying to move and it just freaking boosts up. Like it owns the place. Place one of them here. So the wire can go through here and down to its woman. There you go. There you go. That should work. My skate base is pretty much just straight up. So, like, I don't really need to worry about hitting into any wires. Actually, we have a long ways to go. Even though we're not going that far. Okay, let's just place it right here for now. Let's look. Okay. Stop freaking... Stop it! Dude, I'm only trying to move a little bit and it just screws us over. I don't want it to be up like that. Thank you. No, freaking stop! There you go. I want it to do that. Stay with a stupid map. I like my map. Technically, both of these are technically mine. Well, that one's technically mine, but I don't really want to waste any more time. I think I could just straight fly up there. I can! Go down, go down, go down! Stop freaking... There you go. Now I gotta look at it to see if it's correct. So it goes down here. Goes through here. Then it does that thing. Okay. I'm gonna do some chopping away. Sorry, guardian of peace. You're just in my way. It doesn't really matter if there's like a building around this teleporter. I can go for a nice cloud wall behind it. Then do this, and I teleport back. And it works. Okay, I want teleporters here. Even though I can teleport on the map, it's still I still feel awesome if I were to do this. I feel like I do something in this game. Pretty much these are the, like, across the map. Let's just do the ocean arena first. Dog, get out of the way. My goat is sitting in the way of me trying to be cool. I need one of them junction things. I pretty much will need it for all of them, so. Freaking stop boosting! When I try to move, it just. It might have to move over a little bit, but that's fine. Because it really is not visual. I'm just gonna do that for convenience for later. Can you don't do that? Can you don't do that? Oh. So this one still works to my other contraption. And it's cool if you hit the very edge of the teleporter, you can have 2 different things to teleport to the same area. It's my teleporting room. They always say never to like move in all your NPCs upper ground. If I were to redo my world, I would probably put them underground. Because they're a lot safer underground. Like the Fallout shelters. I need to go all the way to the ocean arena for this. I need another one of them junction things. No, pretty beam. I can't place that there. Meh. How about it like gets through the? Okay, so that's already the Truffle's house. So can you not? Let's do this one. It will make me feel good if I were to do this. He's like, I made something work out in this game. That goes to Truffle's house, so I don't really need to worry about that. I don't want to do it so it hits my door, because then it's just going to open my door. It's going to be like, click, lock, and they're going to be like, why is the door opening? That moment when you realize a door doesn't open in your face, but it closes automatically. That isn't as catchy as I thought it was going to be. It's going to hit that lamp and just turn it on and off. That would be funny. He's going to be like, why is this turning off? I have good insurance for this. I bet it's our crazy owner that built the place. The stupid contraptions. Stop going so fast! It won't make me feel good, so that's why I'm doing it. Now, why is it doing it? There you go. So it doesn't take too much space and it's easy to reach. Can you not? Oh, I found out how to change it. You just gotta look in this direction. I have so many things around my world. Freaking. Stay up in the air. I said stay up in the freaking air. Oh my god. I wish there's something that would just stay in the air instead of pick its butthole and just leave. You mean I could just place that in the air? That should work. This should work. I am 90% positive that this will work. I have to go this. I have to make this go all the way from the other side. Really? The heck is this right here? I don't know what I was gonna do there, but obviously I don't need to anymore. There's a cactus. So many of those crosscut things. Forgot what they're called. Might need them. Stop freaking. What were those? It was like some box. Go talk to mechanic. No. Hello. Junction box. They were called a box of some sort. Wow, it's being taken out of my savings account? Really? Whatever. Really? I gotta pay for that. Could be filled with floating junction boxes, and everyone's gonna be like, huh? Oh. The lunatic cultists are gone. I wonder how long it's gonna take until they come back. Better not soon, because I'm just gonna kill them again and 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 again. All the way. Stop doing that! All the way. Stop doing that! Okay. I don't want it to ram into the cultists. And what they're doing. To follow this from behind. And now I gotta touch the ground. And then push up instead for the freaking jump button. More American drama, I'm sure. Finally get away from all this weird stuff. More wires. Oh, I can just be right here. Okay. Let's just say the teleporter's gonna be there. Obviously, you need to put a house here, though. Well, not like a house with like a background. Well, a house with a background to make it look nice, but don't worry, we are gonna fight all the mechanical bosses at once soon. I just need to finish this teleporter and the last one to that shroom guy's house. Why'd I mute it? Hope that didn't mute you in the process. Aw. Let me just make a glacier house or something. What does the fence do? Whatever, frozen house, I guess. Because it's ah! Oh, whatever. Ah, I hate how everything grows underneath my feet like he owns the place. And like, hiya, I grow underneath your feet. And it's like, you can never escape from me. This is pretty much how interesting his conversations are. You'll never be able to get away from me. Glad this works. Does it work? Better. It works. Now Truffle's house. Oh, this one's gonna be a little harder. Actually, not really. I can just make it cut for the. The Grand Slams, bruh. Do you Grand Slam? I Grand Slam every day. That's when I'm gonna need one of those junction thingies. Can you fall faster? This contraction right here is a little weird. Stop. I'll show you what this is in like after this, and then we'll go on to the fight, okay? Don't get bored out of your gores. I'm doing this for a cause, man. It's just a little kids game. You guys must have had some really sick childhoods. Turn around. Dude, what makes me the maddest the quickest? You know the thing that makes me like super mad, like the quickest way to make me mad is for like if I'm playing music and then you instantly just start playing music to override mine. That is the quickest way to make me mad. I don't know why anybody's wondering, but that's how you do it. If you were wondering. For some sick reason. I don't know. I don't know, I told you that and it was like, I expect you not to like, listen. Exactly what I just said. But yeah, that's like the quickest way to get me mad. If you're planning on making me mad, then that's a good way to do it. What American drama, I'm sure. Dude, where am I? Okay, I'm near Truffle's house. Oh yeah, I can see the mushrooms. Durr! I am so 100% stupid. Truffle, I'm gonna put a teleporter in your house. Don't use it. Don't use this freaking teleporter. Okay, because it will teleport you like across the world here. I heard NPCs can teleport with you. Okay, so we got all the teleporting things to work. Great job. Thanks for you. Woohoo! Thank you. Woohoo! Yeah, you're so cool, mate. The baby bong. Ding dong, ding 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 ding. It's the final countdown. Da 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 da. Dude, on the Xbox, you have to get 5 fallen stars to make a mana crystal. Okay, you ready for mechanical mayhem? Mayhem, 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 mayhem. Wait! We don't have to teleport anymore! Well, we kinda do, but, you know. You know, look! Look at how convenient this is! Look at this! Look at... Skybase, Underworld... Oh, Ocean Arena! Okay. Oh, we're already here. I'm gonna enjoy making more teleporters. Stop! Okay. I'm pretty sure I could defeat them pretty easily. I needed to go a couple... Nighttime boy? Who do you think I am? Is it night times? His eyes. You ready for something really cool? Time to fight all 3 mechanical bosses. Dude, the Destroyer is probably going to be the easiest one because he's going to, like, be underneath everything. But all of them have been summoned. Oh, okay. Can my computer take this? That is the real challenge. Can my computer take all this? I did put it on high. Here, I bet my computer will thank me for this. My computer will thank me later. I'm putting it on auto, by the way. Die cannon. Dude, the Destroyer is being destroyed. Destroyer, die, Destroyer. This Destroyer needs to die horribly. Die horribly. He has so many hit spots. Dude, I can legit just kill him instantly. He destroyed. I got the meows. I got the ultimate meows of the world. If I just get in him, I could just kill him. Dude, I remember when the twins were hard to kill. But both of them were Omega until he ran away. Because he's scared. He's scared. I got my meows. My epic meows, bro. Get auto-tuned. Dude, you like auto-tunes? Get auto-tuned. Auto-tune is like what you do now. Did you know that? Get eaten by arrows. He dead. Shit on, son. Get out of here, prime lasers. Get out of here. Prime saw. What are you gonna be prime of now? Prime of, like... the Destroyer got destroyed. The twins got annihilated. And Skeletron Prime, is dead. That's what I'm just gonna say. Skeletron Prime's dead. You know? You know, I Mecha Ma'am! I got a yo-yo. The Vice Laser. Dude, this looks so cool, though. Dude, it's the power of all of like 4 yo-yos into one. It's like the middle thing is Skeletron, and the other 4 are like the lasers and stuff. That cools. Release may cause seismic anomalies exceeding Loft. Forewarned and forearmed. They can't kill what they can't see. They see everything. Kawaii. It's a material. Oh, wait. Wait a second. Oh, I love my teleporters. They make me feel special. Guide, I need some help. Guide. What does this do? Crazed contraption. What does it do? No one knows. Prime laser. Shoots beams. Magical and prime saw. No way, it's actually like an axe. That's funny. The prime laser. That sounds kawaii. Kawaii? Primes. Prime lizard. To destroy your blueprint. The probe. Probe staff. Summon the probe to fight for you. I'm just gonna get the crazed contraption. Then the twinnies. Retina Ranger. Shoots arrows into lasers! Ret and Iturgo. I defeated all of them. At once. Bender body. That's the sound I make when I'm sure of everything. Okay. Let's hope we're on this. It's boring. You know, that's a cool looking bow, but it is not cool. It's like shooting one of everything. Look, if I just start shooting this, it will just shoot out random crap. That's awkward. What is this? Silver. How do I get this guy out of my face? Dude, I got minions for days. I don't know how to get them out. They're annoying. Just like the meow meow. Rainbows. So, yeah, if I look on my script for a second, oh yeah, I have to show off the farm. Okay. So if I go over here, he just freaking took him out. Apparently there's nothing growing on this thing for some stupid reason. So what you do is that you see this. Look at all this ground foliage right here. Then if you activate this thing, then it like destroys all the ground. And if you like push it again, after when everything's like collected, everything collected, okay, then you get your things, but it doesn't work, which is, I'm sad. But you know, I'll see if I can work on it. I am planning on making a base up here, because obviously there's a sky base portal, or a teleporter now. So, you know, I want to test out all my portals now. I'm in the ball. Stop it. I hate how fast you go. These things are a bit weird, like hanging out, like, meow. If you want the most out of your epilepsy warnings, then Okay, so first we can teleport to Truffle's house. Hey, Truffle! Teleport to the ocean arena. Hey, ocean arena. You can teleport to the underworld. Hey, underworld. Then you can teleport to the sky base. Hey, sky base. How's it going? I think that's pretty cool. I like what I've done. I don't think I released a video today. Uh-oh. Gotta get on to that.